Hello guys, so welcome to another tutorial on Git. So in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you guys how to get started and create your first GitHub repository. But doing that you have to configure your account on GitHub. So I'll be showing you ways on how to configure your account on GitHub. So all you just need is your username and your email. Then basically you'll be creating an account. So the reason that we need it is because whenever you are working on each project with a bunch of people, you are going to make changes to the project. So you won't be making changes and having different accounts without even identifying your own account. So you need to it's just like you are signing in on GitHub on your terminal. So it has your name attached and your email attached. So any changes that is involved, you get to see the changes with your name on it. So first I'm going to open my GitHub CMD. So then there you just run some codes which you use to configure it. So we are going to run a git config. So git config username. So let me just increase the properties. So what I'm doing now is git config global username, then David Alago. Let me edit this. Enter. Then I'll come again with another line of command which will be for my email. So for my email. So I'm going to check if so for us to confirm that, so I'll be running bits config dash dash list. Okay, so if you can see here now, this is my email address and this is my username. So with that you'll be able to configure email your email and your username. So in case of other commands that you want to learn on Git, maybe you are new on GitHub on your Git terminal and you want to know some basic commands, so you just go to Git help. So you can see there are so many commands here, so many commands. So to clone, to initialize, to add, to move, to restore, to remove. So or you can just come to git help commits. it opens a an HTML, a manual page, that is an HTML page where you get to see all the commands in HTML formats. So it won't show now because I basically did the recorder for only the command line. So on your own side, it will open an HTML page on your browser or your HTML viewer. So that is all for now. Thanks for watching, and please do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.